Do you have leftover yam and are you planning to throw them away? Hey, guess what? I have a recipe for you. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my cooking channel. So we are going to make this delicious recipe with our leftover yam. Yam is my second favorite meal, so I don't throw it away at all. Yes, it is very important to me after banku or AKPLE. That is the next food I love. So I have my leftover yam here. Later I'll think about what I will be doing with the leftover plantain as well. All what I'm going to do right now is cut the yam into smaller cubes. Okay, you can actually use fresh yam that you just boiled, okay, because I also have fresh one and I'm going to add the leftover one to it because it wasn't plenty. Yes, so if today is the first time here, my name is Lena. As I said earlier, please, if you are interested in this channel, can you please smash on the red button for me for more updates? So after I'm done cutting them into smaller cubes, the next thing to do is to add my all-purpose flour. Please add the quantity that will help it coat very well. Okay, so after I'm done mixing it with the flour, making sure it coats very well, this is how it is looking. I have my eggs here. I'm using 2 eggs and I mix it very well. I didn't add anything to the egg, so I will just pour it there, pour it on the yam that we coated and mix it very well. After that, I will add my bread crumbs. So this one contains some herbs and other things, so I will coat it very well, and this is how it is looking, well coated. You make sure you separate those who are pairs. Yes, so you separate them. Those who are doing kokonza, you separate them. Now let's fry it. So I had my oil on fire. I'll just pour it in the oil and then start frying. So simple, eh? Don't throw your yam away. Come here, I can't throw my yam away. I use it to do a lot of things that I will be sharing with you. Okay, yes, so you make sure the fire is not too much and it is not too low as well. Okay, yeah, the fire shouldn't be very low or very high. So this is how it is looking after some few minutes, and you can see it's already looks so beautiful. I have this feeling that you have watched me till this point but you haven't subscribed. Okay, what are you waiting for? Hello my love, what are you waiting for? Smash on the red button for me and the bell icon so that you will get updates. Okay, thank you very much for doing it for me. You see that they didn't take anything from you. It is free, and thank you for subscribing, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and I will see you in the next one. So this is how it is looking, and I'll fry the next one. I actually ate this with some salad and my fried egg. That is boiled fried egg, and it was after that I said let me add some juicy bee. Oh my god, I'm gonna come an idea to so madam of the house na made memory. This was so nice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.